Hi everyone, so today on Stories I'm going to talk you through some products that you can use on teenage skin. So especially with hormonal breakouts, congestion, oiliness, and it can happen where they are dry as well. So I'm going to talk you through a few products that I find work really well and that are really easy to introduce. So first up is cleansing. So it's a really good habit to get somebody who has hormonal breakouts or acne or congestion to introduce a salicylic-based cleanser into their routine. Salicylic acid will get deep down into the pore, clear it out, unclog that blocked oil that tends to cause a breakout. This will do that really gently while very gently exfoliating. Tell your teenagers or the young people in your life to step away from exfoliating grains and grit and go for something like salicylic acid that's not going to disrupt the protective barrier of the skin. So Murad have a fantastic blemish control kit. They're all really good sizes because you're using small amount of these products. So this is your clarifying cleanser. You're getting an Invisiscar treatment, which is going to prevent scarring in the skin. So even if someone's really good and they don't pick or squeeze their pustules or anything like that, because they're quite deep down into the skin, they can go on to cause a scar. So we have that treatment, and we have the instant spot relief treatment as well that we can spot treat. And we also have the oil and pore control mattifier SPF. So please get your teenagers and young people in your lives to get into a really good habit of using SPF, especially with salicylic exfoliating products. We want to protect any further damage for the skin. So dry acne and dry congestion can occur as well. So when people come into us in the clinic or the salon, they can have breakouts, but they're explaining to us that there's, I don't have that excess oil on the skin. It's actually dry and I want something that's going to kind of soothe and calm my skin. So this is a fantastic one from Clinicare. So Clinicare have, they have a whole pure range. So this is the EGF. So all of their family in this contain really low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. So you're going to get that hydration and that relief from using anything in this range. This is the sheet mask. It's very anti-inflammatory, full of hyaluronic acid for that hydration. So that's going to help repair the barrier, and it's got tissue repair properties as well. So with congestion, the skin is broken, it's damaged, and we want to aid and speed up that tissue renewal. So the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel is a fabulous moisturizer that you can introduce to somebody who has a really thirsty skin, happens to have congestion, doesn't like the feeling of something greasy or oily on their skin. So this will immediately soak into the skin, it'll soothe it, it'll hydrate, and it won't leave kind of a shiny residue or anything like that, but the skin will be really quenched. It contains witch hazel in it, which is going to be that kind of antibacterial, antimicrobial factor, and it's going to strengthen and keep the skin healthy. So with breakouts happening, our younger clients or our teenage clients tend to try and cover it up with makeup. Now, more often than not, this might be makeup that contains kind of mineral oil. It might block the pores, and it could exacerbate the problem a lot more. Something that's specific to skin health that happens to have tint in it would be a better option. So something like the Bioderma, it's anti-redness, so it's going to bring down that inflammation and help to disguise it. Or something like the Mineral Matte UV Defense from SkinCeuticals. This is matte, so it's going to absorb the excess oil, but it also has a tint in it as well. For somebody who really craves to cover it with a makeup, this is something a lot more suitable to the skin and kinder to the skin if you're having those issues. My few top tips would be to cleanse the skin regularly, cleanse things like makeup brushes regularly as well, if you're using those, changing pillowcases a little bit more regularly as well if you feel like you're excreting excess sebum or anything like that. So don't over exfoliate your skin with grains or granules, and if you can at all, everyone's acne and congestion is different, so try and associate yourself with someone who is a skin therapist or a skin consultant to give you the right advice.